Okay, from this green neon marker we're gonna pull out the cartridge with pliers and drop inside plastic bottle filled with water. Close the lid, shake it about 2 minutes and after that leave it to stay 1 hour. You can see that the neon liquid is coming out from cartridge. Now pour the colored water in plastic container and you will need to buy these crystal clear speedballs that grow in water. Once again, you're gonna wait about couple of hours to grow the speedballs. You will need ultraviolet flashlight or bulb. If you don't have it, you can make it very easy. On ordinary flashlight, put some clear tape and paint with DVD marker, 1 coat of red and 2 coat of blue. Also, you can do this on your smartphone flash. This is simple and effective way to get UV light. Now let's see how these speedballs will glow in dark when we light them up with UV light.
Wow!
They glow amazing, but be careful when you touch the speedballs with your hands. It's gonna be messy. Glowing hands. I found this clear plastic tube and I put inside the speedballs. Turn off the light and once again this is awesome. Like this video and visit my channel page for more projects. I have over 300 videos. See ya in 4 days with new project.